Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where League of Legends seems to get stuck on the tutorial patching screen with a grayed out button. The process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The most common reason why this happens isn't actually a bug. The game is simply downloading a massive 20 gigabyte update in the background, but the client doesn't always show the progress bar, so we need to confirm if your computer is actually working or not. To check that, all you have to do is go to your Task Manager. Right-click on your taskbar, then select Task Manager and click on the Network tab. Over here in the network header, you will see that your internet is being used, and your League agent or Riot client should be active. That means it is running. Even if you think the game is stuck, it is still downloading. As you can see, the network spikes right here. It will totally depend on the internet speed that you have as to how long it will take to finish. Since the file is about 20 gigabytes, it can take a very long time, but there is a simple fix that you can try to make it much faster. What you do is restart your internet modem or your router by unplugging the power cable. Then wait for 10 seconds and plug it back in to refresh your connection. Once your internet is back online, check your Task Manager again to see if the download speed has increased. I also recommend connecting your computer directly to the router via an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for the specific download, as it will be much faster and more stable. Now it is just a waiting game. Keep an eye on the Task Manager. Once the network usage for League of Legends or Riot games drops to 0, that means the download is complete. All you do is head back to the League of Legends client, then you will notice that the grayed out button has disappeared or changed to play. And then all you have to do is click on Launch and the tutorial or the main game will start without any issue. That's it. You now know that the game wasn't frozen and how to confirm that the download is finishing up so you can get on to the match. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.